Hello everyone, welcome back to another remote sensing tutorial video. And in this tutorial video I want to show you how to go about recording your Panopto videos. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Blackboard, and this is the Blackboard shell as you see it. Next you're going to go to Tools, and then over here where it says Panopto Content. So again, that's Tools, Panopto Content. So once you're in here, you should hopefully see this folder appearing. This is the course folder for Panopto. And then up here you're going to see where it says Create. So you're going to click this button. So click Create, and then Record New Session. So I'm going to go from the perspective that you probably have never used this before. So you're going to actually have to download Panopto first. So you're going to click right here where it says Download Panopto. And then it's going to ask you where you want to save it. I normally save things like this in the Downloads folder. So you're going to click Run once it's done. Now you might be asked to allow it to have access, and that's fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this farmingdale.hosted.panopto.com, you want to make sure this is correct, because this is going to be giving you the ability to log in to the course shell. So you're going to click Next. You're going to accept the terms of service by clicking Install. It might take just a second to finish, but then it'll go away. So once you've done that, Panopto is officially done. So you're going to go down to your Start menu, you're going to type in Panopto. You're going to find Panopto. So you're going to be brought to this screen. So it's going to say farmingdale.hosted.panopto.com. Again, this is Farmingdale's Panopto. So you're going to click Sign In. Open Panopto Recorder. Okay. So now, what you should see are a few things. The first is up here. It should say Blackboard, and then it should have your Farmingdale ID. Where it says the folder here, if you want to click that down, right, you should see your course should show up there. Right, so it should be GIS 302T. So this is our remote sensing course. And then you're going to want to change the name to something like, with your name, so it would be gross underscore GIS 302 presentation. Okay. So, a couple things you need to configure here. The first, you're going to want to make sure that your video is set to none. You're going to want to make sure that your audio is set to whatever audio you're using, whether you're using a webcam or a microphone or headphones, right? Whatever you're using, you need to make sure that your audio is set correctly. You want to set your capture quality to be ultra. If you are including a YouTube video or some other form of video inside of your video, you need to make sure that you check capture computer audio. Otherwise, you can leave this unchecked. Then you want to make sure you click capture main screen. Now, I don't have anything on my main screen, so I'm just going to open up a Google tab here. And if I click enable screen capture, right, you'll see that we have a Google tab here. So you want to make sure this is checked so that you can see what you're doing. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here, and when you're ready to start recording, you're going to click this button right here. I'm going to record my Google tab again. So if I click record, you'll see that it's starting devices, and that this is now recording a live session. You can see that it's recording here. Right? It's recording here. So when you're done recording, if you hit stop, and then click Done. Right, you should be by default brought here to the Manage Recordings. So this Manage Recordings has a list of everything that you've ever recorded in Panopto. So in my case, I have a bunch of videos from previous semesters in here. If you want to do any editing, you can click on Edit, and that will take you to the web-based Panopto editor. Basically, all this does for you is it lets you can move the slider around by clicking, and you can cut by clicking the cut button and then clicking and dragging. That's basically all you need to do. This will let you cut out errors if you need to. Once you're happy with that, if you go up here to Settings, so again, up here this is Settings. If you go to Share, and then you go anyone at your organization, or anyone with this link. And then you copy this link right here, Control C. This right here, this is the link that you will be posting into Blackboard for submission. So again, just to walk through that one more time. So I'm going to cancel out of here. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go back to my Panopto recording here. All right, so click record. Record whatever you're going to record. Click it again to stop recording. Go to Manage Recordings. It should be the top video here. You're going to click Edit. That's going to take you to the online editor. If you want to do any editing, you can. It's intuitive. You know, click, drag, cut. Right, that's basically all you can do. That's all you really need to do. And then you can go up here to Settings, and then go to Share. Change this to anyone with this link. Save changes, and then copy this link into your Blackboard submission. Hopefully that makes sense, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.